Hey folks, Vinod here. Let's see how quickly I changed today. Let's go. Alright, this video is of Zach King's tutorials. One of the coolest guys who does a lot of beautiful editing, in a software. Right, so this is one of the easiest things that I've shown you today. Let's jump right onto it and let's see how it's done. Alright, I'm doing this on Filmora and I'm going to detach the audio. You can do this in any software that you want. You can probably do it on your phone on an app where trimming the clips is allowed. So I'm going to trim the before and after a bit. I'm going to probably keep, that's there. So I'm going to delete both the audio and video. The point is to see where there is a spike, and that is where is this judgment of sound that you can get. Okay, so hold on. So right when the pillow hits the chest is where you have to make a cut and delete this portion, bring in the second clip, and the second clip is where you mimic the action of the pillow hitting your chest, and right about there should be good. I'm going to make a cut here. I'm going to delete this portion, and then I'm doing some bit of acting, saying this t-shirt's not nice. I'm going to change it, and then right when I pull out the t-shirt, okay, this is where I'll make another cut, or I'll just keep a little more. Delete the last bit, bring in the third clip. The last clip is you place the black t-shirt over another t-shirt which you want, and you match the hand position. Probably right here, I'll keep another frame just in case. So when we play back, so I need to cut out a bit of the third clip, probably a frame. Right about there should be good. Let me play this back. That's how it's done. Okay, so you can probably add some sound effects between the clips and you should be set. Okay, this is how it's done. Let us know if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and we will see you in the next one.